Dropshipping ba lang, madali lang. Kasi ako, seller na ako for 4 years. Shopee, Lazada, TikTok. I think this is the best time since magkakaroon ng regulation kay BIR which will effect this July 15 if I'm not mistaken. So, I think mas madali siyang implement as compared to the traditional seller in other e-commerce platforms. Yes, I would recommend it, but not to sa newbie na seller. I think they have to study talaga yung basic e-commerce before they go into this. Kasi parang hindi pwedeng basic. Sa akin based on my personal hindi siya parang hindi ka marunong sa online shipping, online selling, tapos bigla ka mag-jump here. Siguro better kahit may basic fundamental ka sa selling, kahit sa Facebook muna, carousel din. Kung